be talking about the brain. The nervous system is composed of two systems, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system is enclosed by the bone, and it includes the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system transmits info from the senses to the CNS. It is composed of the somatic and the autonomic system. Parts of the autonomic system include the parasympathetic and the sympathetic. The parasympathetic regulates the body's energy for conserving functions, while the sympathetic mobilizes the body for action in the face of stress, which is the fight or flight system. The somatic nervous system carries signals from the CNS to the muscles to move the skeleton. Here is Sammy introducing the hindbrain.
The hindbrain is a continuation of the spinal cord. Signals from the senses reach the hindbrain first. It controls vital unconscious functions. The medulla controls vital functions such as blood pressure, heart rate, breathing. The pons is involved in sleep and dream. The cerebellum coordinates muscle movements, balance, and speech. The reticular formation contains the locus coeruleus, which coordinates simple movements with sensory information.
Here's Nick introducing the midbrain.
The midbrain is a small structure between the hindbrain and the forebrain. It relays information from the eyes, ears, and skin. It controls certain types of automatic behaviors and includes the substantia nigra, which involves the smooth beginning of movements.
The forebrain is grown out of proportion compared to the rest of the brain. It is responsible for the most complex behaviors. The thalamus relays pain signals from the spinal cord as well as other sense signals. The hypothalamus regulates hunger, thirst, and sex drive. The amygdala connects sensations and emotions and includes fear. And the hippocampus is involved in the formation of new memories.
The brain is divided into two hemispheres. The corpus callosum is a bundle of fibers that connects the two hemispheres. The left hemisphere is the more logical and literal side. It controls speech and it controls the right side of the body. The right hemisphere is more artistic and creative. It controls the left side of the body.
The brain has 8 lobes. 4 of them are in each hemisphere. The temporal lobe processes sound sensed by the ears, which includes the Wernicke's area, which allows you to talk but not understand what you're saying. The frontal lobe, involved in planning, emotional control, and abstract thought, contains the motor cortex, which controls voluntary movement. The frontal lobe also includes the Broca's area, which is important to speech and grammar. The occipital lobe controls the visual input to the brain. The parietal lobe includes the somatosensory cortex that receives information from the skin about touch, pain, and temperature.
This was Parts of the Brain.
Okay.